Hi there. I'd love to sign up for a library card. Could you tell me the fee?
Hi, welcome. A library card is just $14 a month.
That sounds great. What do I need to bring to get started?
It's super simple. Just fill out this registration form and you're all set.
Perfect. And how long is the card good for?
Your card will be valid for a whole year from the day you join. Plenty of time to explore all our books.
Fantastic. By the way, where's the reading room?
Oh, it's right over there.
Looks so cozy. Do you have a video section too?
Absolutely. It's just past the reading room on the left side.
Awesome. I can't wait to start exploring. Let me give you my details for the card. My name's Emma.
Great to meet you, Emma. Just jot down your contact info here and I'll have your card ready in a flash.
Here you go, Liam.
Thanks. Here's your brand new library card. Welcome to our library family.
Thank you so much. Quick question. If I borrow a book, when should I return it?
Each book is due 2 weeks from the day you check it out. So if you borrow today, your due date will be May 4th.
Got it. Oh, and are the book titles organized in any specific way?
Yes, we've made it easy. All titles are in alphabetical order, and authors' names are as well. Makes finding things a breeze.
That's so helpful. Thank you, Liam. I can't wait to dive into my first book.
My pleasure, Emma. Enjoy exploring, and if you need anything, I'm right here.